Hello, my dear students. This is Mrs. Shayma Gharib, and today's lesson about multiplying decimal numbers by 10, 100, or 1000. Let's start by revising some rules before you watch any video. First, you have to sit in a quiet place. You should have your pen and a piece of paper to take notes and to solve questions. You should pause the video after each question, then you try to answer on your own. Then you play the video to check your answer and to understand the question in case you get a wrong answer. Are you ready? Let's start. Multiplying decimals by 10. So look at this number here, 13.25 times 10. We know when we multiply a number by 10, it means each digit in this number will be one place bigger. What does this mean? It means if I have a digit, for example, this digit 1, it is in the tens place. So when I multiply it by 10, it will move up to the hundreds place. And this 3, for example, it is in the ones place or the units place. So when I multiply by 10, it will move to the tens place, which is one place bigger or one place higher. And what about the 2, which is in the 10th place? When I move it one place higher, it will be in the ones place. And this 5 here, when I move it one place higher, it is in the hundredths place, so it will be in the 10th place. So how can I do this very quick and easier? I can just move the decimal point one place to the right. So here is the decimal point. For example, I'm going to move it one place to the right direction. Let's apply this on our number 13.25. So I will move the decimal point one place to the right. So it will be here between the 2 and the 5. Then our number will be 132.5. Is this clear? So when I multiply by 10, the number is getting bigger by one place, which means each digit move to the bigger place, one place bigger. Okay? By moving the decimal point one place to the right direction. Let's try another number. 2.4. The decimal point here, when I multiply by 10, I will move it one place to the right, so it will be after the 4. It will be here, which means 24 point. Do I have anything after that? No, so it will be just 24. Okay? Let's try the next number. 0.67, so I will move it one place to the right, so it will be between the 6 and the 7. So the number will be 6.7. I will not write 06, okay? So it's just 6.7. As you can see, the 6 was in the tens place, it became in the ones, so it is one place higher. And the 7 was in the hundredths place, it became in the 10th place, which is one place higher. In this example, I have 0.09 times 10. So we are going to move the decimal point one place to the right. So it will be here between this 0 and the 9. So the answer will be 0.9. Is this clear? So as you can see, the 9 was in the hundredths place. It became in the tenth place, which is one place bigger. Next example, I have 14.253 times 10. So we are going to move the decimal point one place to the right, so it will be here between the 2 and the 5. So the answer will be 142.53. As you can see, this 3 was in the thousandth place. It became in the hundredth place, which is one place higher. And the 5 was in the hundredth place, and it became in the 10th place, which is one place higher, and so on. Is this clear? Now let's move to the second part of our lesson. Multiplying decimals by 100. What do you think? When we multiply a number by 100, it means the number will be 2 places higher. Each digit in the number will be 2 places higher. What does this mean? Let's see, for example, I have 13.25 times 100. So if I want multiply it by 100, we said the number will be bigger and each digit in this number will be 2 places higher. So this 5 in the hundredth place. So if I multiply it by 100, so it will be moved to the 1, 2. It will be in the ones place, which is 2 places higher. So how can I do this fast? By moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. Let's see. If I have a decimal point, I will move it 2 places. Okay, let's do this on our number. So this is the decimal point. I will move it 1. So this is only 1 place, then 1 more place. So it will be 1,325. We don't put the decimal point at the end of the number as long as we don't have any more digits after. So it will be just 1,325. Now let's do another example. I have 2.4. So when I move the decimal point 2 places to the right, I only have 1 place. So do you remember when we said that we can write any decimal number by adding more zeros to the right? 2.4 is same as 2.40. So now I have 2 places to the right. So I can move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So my answer will be 240. 0.671 times 100, I will move the decimal point 2 places to the right, so it will be here. So the answer will be 67.1. As you can see, the 6 was in the 10th place, it became in the 10th place. And the 7 was in the 100th place, it became in the ones or the units place, which are 2 places higher. Okay, let's see the next. 0.09 times 100. By moving the decimal point 2 places to the right, my number will be 9. Don't write 009. Okay, the 9 was in the 100th place. It became 2 places higher, which is the ones place. 13.5 times 100. I will move the decimal point to the right 2 places. I only have 1 place. So what should I do? I will add 1 0. And this 0, we said before, it will not change the value of the number. They are the same. 13.5 is same as 13.50. Okay, so now I can move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So the number will be 1,350. Now we are going to multiply decimal numbers by 1,000. What do you think? When we multiply By 10, we said each digit will be higher by 1 place by moving the decimal point 1 place to the right. When we multiply by 100, each digit will be 2 places higher by moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. Then, multiplying by 1000 means each digit will be 3 places higher, which means I'm going to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So the decimal point will move 3 places to the right. One more place here. Now let's do this on our number. We have 13.25. I only have 2 places to the right after the decimal point. So what should I do? I need 3 places. We can add 0 to make the places 3. And as we said, it is the same as 13.25. Now I can move the decimal point 3 places. So 1, 2, and 3. So it will be after this 0. So the number will be 13,250. The 1 here was in the tens place. Here it became in the 10,000th place. So it is 3 places higher. And the same for each of the digits. Now I have 2.4 multiplied by 1000. I need to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. I only have 1 digit to the right, so I need to add 2 more zeros. So now I have 3 places on the right of the decimal point. So when I move it 3 places to the right, 1, 2, then 3. It will be at the end of the number here. So the number or the final answer will be 2,400. And notice that the 2 was in the ones place, it became in the thousandth place. So it is bigger by 3 places. 0.6 multiplied by 1000, I need to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. I only have 1, so I'm going to add 2 more zeros to have 3 places to the right. Then I will move the decimal point 3 places, 1, 2, and 3. So the number will be 600. Don't write 600. No number starts with 0. No whole number, okay? Now, let's see this. 0.09 times 1000. So I need to move the decimal points 3 places to the right. I only have 2 places to the right, which means I'm going to add 0 to the end of the number to have 3 places. Now, after moving the decimal point, what number I will have? Number 90. Don't write 0090, okay? 0.135 times 1000. I'm going to move the decimal points 3 places to the right as usual. So the answer will be 135. Now it's our questions time. 0.37 times 10 equals, what did we say? Move the decimal point 1 place to the right to make each digit 1 place higher. And what about this one? Now look at all these questions, then start to write your answer and revise it with the video. 0.06 times 1000 will be 60. 0.42 times 10 will be 4.2. 5.1 times 100, 2 places to the right, so it will be, do you remember? I add 0, so it will be 510. 0.01 times 1000, I need 3 places to the right, so it will be number 10. This is the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment, and I will answer you as soon as possible. Please remember that your feedback is highly appreciated. Thank you very much and have a nice day.